Hello everyone. Today is the 10th day for the mass indoctrination, and today is April 23rd, 2021. And what I'm able to learn from this is straightforward and very, very detailed. It is talking about the outward appearance and the inward appearance. Most of the things we see around, we see people dressing, women in men clothing, men in women clothing, dressing half naked. We are vesting so much energy on the outside, whereas we are supposed to build the inside. We spend so much time adorning our faces, adorning our hair, adorning every part of our body. You see people dressing half naked because they want to entice, they want to gain attention, they want people to be all over them. That's just the desire of the flesh, because whoever sows to the flesh, will reap of the flesh. When you spend too much time on it, is not possible to serve God and mammon together. It's either you serve God or you don't serve God. So you cannot be building your outside and at the same time be building your inside. When you put too much attention on the outside, definitely the inward will suffer first. So that is how so many people, many preachers are more concerned about growing their churches rather than speaking the truth regarding how people dress. They rather let them dress anyhow because they don't want the attendance to dwindle. It's morally wrong, it's spiritually wrong, it's in every way wrong. So this is what I'm able to learn from it, that we are supposed to build our inside. We are supposed to build, feed ourselves with the word of God, knowing that this world is ephemeral. This world will pass away. Everything will pass away. And whatever it is that we build on the inside will last us, because the outside is more physical, the inside is more spiritual. So when we build our character from the inside, it pays in the long run, because God looks at the heart, not your outward appearance. He made every man, everything we need, He has given unto us. Every way He wants to make us, He has made us that way. So He has vested so much in us already, rather than us trying to enhance our physical appearance, prioritizing it over our spiritual development. So we need to grow spiritually. We need to grow our inside, rather than taking too much time to develop our outside. And that's what I'm able to learn from this today. Is quite insightful, and I really hope that many people will also learn from this truth. Thank you very much, and do have a nice day. Bye.